Do you know? You can make this notebook pages for Amazon KDP by only using Canva. Watch till the end to know how I created this. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Be productive with me. Create a template of this size. Go to Elements and search for Pattern Design. Click on Graphics, choose this one. Adjust the size, place it like this, then copy and paste it on the other side. Take a square shape and place it in the middle. Change the color to your liking. Again, go to Elements, search for Writing Lines. From the Graphics section, choose one. Decrease the size a bit, place it like this and then copy and paste it on the right side. Now select one of the lines, then click on the three dots. Choose Select Multiple, then click on the other line and now press on Group. Next step is to copy and paste them on the page. Click on Text and add a heading at the top of the page. This step is optional. You can leave your page like this or you can add more elements, like I'm doing. And now your notebook page is ready to be published on KDP.